Upon entering this condo unit at Nouvel 18, you will be welcomed by a display shelf centerpiece. The custom-made bay window seats can not only be used for sitting, but also storage spaces. This corner in the master bedroom is where the homeowner showcased an exquisite bag collection, while enjoying the use of the dressing vanity, which is by the side. The bay window seat is designed with a sliding table that homeowners can slide from end to end whenever and wherever needed. We have widely made use of Lamborghini Murcielago stripes wallpaper to create a seamless soft touch in the bedrooms. Having less is more. We've designed a few pull-out extendable countertop space for the homeowner for the additional space. The homeowner wanted an open kitchen that may amplify the space, as well as ensuring it to be a clean-cut and sleek-looking space. Having an elongated living space, we extended the living outwards to the balcony